On your suggestion, so rust starts at the seam here, a weld if you want. These are just perhaps 2 years old, 2 winters. So I have this here in Canada rust check. It's just anti-rust stuff, but it's thick one, not liquid. Thick that stays in there. So I'm just going to coat a bed here and just spread it with a stick. And it doesn't matter if it's smearing on the weld, because this is going to wash with rain. But that place is going to get absorbed, the solution, the spray is going to get absorbed into the rust. And this is also, if you need to cover anything with rust, it really sticks on it, just stays there wet, oily if you want, prevents for future rust expansion. This is how it looks. Obviously there's still some spray around, but it's no longer looking like the rusty thing. And it should just prevent the rust also from expanding from there for quite a while. I think it lasts, if you are in winter time with snow and stuff, salt, so 2 years should be fine. You need to reapply every 3 years. So now you can obviously spread it all around because it's going to rust everywhere, these welds. That's how it is, see. But then it's up to you. You can like get it with a towel or something and spread it. But then just pay attention, right? So if you need to change your welds, do your brakes or something like this, just wash your hands, because you are going to smear the grease all over the place, all over the tools.